InstaCuppa French press coffee maker is an excellent choice for coffee lovers seeking a high-quality, affordable, and stylish option. Here's a breakdown of its features. Price, 1349 by here link in description. Subscribe my channel. Capacity, with a 600 milliliters capacity, this French press can brew multiple cups of coffee, making it perfect for sharing or enjoying a large cup on your own. Superior filtration, the 4-part filtration system ensures a smooth and grit-free cup of coffee. It effectively separates the grounds from the liquid, giving you a pure and flavorful brew every time. Build quality, made from stainless steel, the French press is durable, rust-resistant, and designed for long-term use. The sleek black design adds a touch of elegance to any kitchen or office space. Easy to use and clean, French presses are known for their simplicity, and this one is no exception. Just add coffee grounds, pour hot water, wait a few minutes, press down, and your coffee is ready. Plus, it's easy to clean, with removable parts that make washing hassle-free. Versatility, in addition to coffee, this French press can be used to brew tea, making it a versatile addition to your kitchen. Price, priced at 1349 rupees, it offers excellent value for a well-built, stylish coffee maker that delivers great results. Interested? You can buy it here. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more reviews and product recommendations.